Hello students, now today we are going to start question number 3 of the same lesson. Complete the sentences in the passive voice. One is done for you. We are given here some of the sentences and we have to complete these sentences in the passive voice. The first one is done for us. Let us see. A. Rasika wrote the letter. Now a simple thing which you have to do is just find out SVO. So Rasika is subject, wrote is verb, the letter is object. So now the letter blank Rasika. Now see, just see the tense of the verb. Verb given here is wrote. So wrote is V2. That means it is the past form of the verb. That means the sentence is in the past tense. We will convert wrote into V3 and then we will write was. Why we will use was here? Because we are talking about the letter. The subject given here is singular. It is only one letter. That's why we will use here was. So was written by. Understood students? Now let us see B. Mahesh bought a blue jacket. So Mahesh is subject. Bought is verb. A blue jacket is object. So here we have find out the SVO. Now let us see the verb here. The tense of the verb. It is buy, bought, bought. So it is in V2 form. That means the sentence is in the past form. So now let us convert it. A blue jacket. Now we are talking about a blue jacket which is only one. We are talking about only one thing. And the sentence is in past. So we will use was. Now V3 form of buy, that is bought. So was bought by Mahesh. So we will write here was bought by. Next, C. Nina offered her friends some snacks. Nina is subject, offered is verb. Some snacks is the object here. So now offered. We will see the verb, the tense of the verb. Offered here is in the past tense again. So, some snacks. We are talking about some snacks. Was offered by Nina to her friends. Now, this is the extra words in the sentence. Her friends. So, we will write it after the subject. Understood, students? Now D. A genie helped Aladdin. A genie is a subject, helped is a verb, and Aladdin is a object. So Aladdin will become a subject here. Now we will see the tense of the verb. Helped. It is in the past tense. So Aladdin is the singular subject. So was helped by a genie. Understood, students? So in this way you have to complete E and F in homework. Now let us start question number 4. Change these sentences from passive voice to active voice. One is done for you. Now students, till now what we have seen? We have just converted the active sentences into the passive ones. Now in this question we have to change it. We have to convert the passive voice sentences into the active voice. One is done for us. Let us see it. The fish was eaten by the naughty cat. Now first of all what we will do? We will cut by. That means this is the subject. So we will write here the naughty cat first. We will write here the naughty cat. Now we will also cut was. And we will write the past form of eat. That means ate. So the naughty cat ate. Ate what? The fish. Understood, students? Now let us see B. The computer was invented by Charles Babbage. The computer was invented by Charles Babbage. Now we know that after by there is the subject. So we will cut by here. We will write Charles Babbage, which is object here, in the subject for the active voice. So Charles Babbage. Now comes the verb. The sentence is in the past tense. So we will cut was, which is the helping verb here, and we will write the past form of invent. So invented. Charles Babbage invented. And here the computer, which is subject here, we will write here at the place of object. So the Charles Babbage invented the computer. Understood, students? C. Ravi was scolded by the science teacher. Now again, first of all, just cut the by. So after by, we have got the subject, the science teacher. We will write here the science teacher. Now was scolded. So we will cut was from here. We will write the past form of scold. That is scolded. So scolded. Scolded whom? To Ravi. So the science teacher scolded Ravi. Understood, students? So in this way you have to complete from D to F in homework. Now let us start question number 5. Write meaningful sentences in the passive voice using the jumbled words given below. One is done for you. Now students, here we are given few jumbled words. We have to arrange these words in the passive form. First one is done for us. Let us understand it. A. Results, announce, the school, next week. We are given these 4 words. Now we will arrange this in the passive voice. The results will be announced by the school next week. See, by the school. So we have used by and will be announced. So it is in the future tense. B. Brilliant plays, write William Shakespeare. So brilliant plays are written by William Shakespeare. We have added are here and we have added by. Here also we have added the with the results, announce. Now we have to use the correct form of the verb for the given verb. Will be announced. Next, C. The poster, design, John. Now the poster, we will use the correct form of design and by John. So the poster was designed by John. Understood, students? In this way you have to complete from D to F in homework. Now let us start the last question of this lesson. That is question number 6. Identify the errors and rewrite the sentences correctly. One is done for you. We are given few sentences with errors. There are certain mistakes in the sentences. We have to identify that mistake and we have to rewrite the sentence. We are taught grammar, Miss Sinha. See, here we are not given by. So we are taught grammar by Miss Sinha. We have used by here. Understood? B. She was praised by the teacher. Now here the sentence is given in the passive voice. And in passive voice the form of verb is V3. But here we are given V1. The first form of verb is given praise, praised, praised. So we will write praised in place of praise. She was praised by the teacher. C. The building damaged by fire. Now here again the sentence is given in the passive form. But here the building damaged by fire. The helping verb, the be form of the verb is missing. So damaged, that means the past form. So the building was damaged by fire. Understood, students? In this way you have to complete from D to F in homework.